posterity. Screw you, D. It's the only time I'll get 2 in the next 2 years.
So have you got the hiccups?
No. We're at PAs.
Just say Ignatius.
Sagnacious.
Yeah. They're gone. They'll be gone. Say Ignatius.
They're not gone.
Say it
Sagnacious.
again. Say Ignatius.
Sagnacious.
Yeah.
They're gone. They're gone. They're not gone.
Are you filming this clown?
Never had the hiccups before. This is after 8:30. No, before 8:30.
No, it's almost 9 o'clock. Isn't it? Yeah, it's nearly 9 o'clock. It's 10 to 9.
We've got to feed the dog. It's only 8:15.
Can't you miss this feed the dog?
She's at her mum's house.
What, because you're fighting?
Yeah.
Can't you just tell her you fed the dog?
I tried. She's on her way home.
Can't you tell her you fed the dog and you got called
It's
back to work?
It's going to be an awful walk home.
Can't you tell her you fed the dog and you got called back into the office?
You don't know my missus.
I don't think
Stop
I want
it!
to.
Stop it! It's not
How
funny.
good is this video going to be at his wedding?
On the big screen. So where are you? You're on the way home. You're walking, right?
At PAs. I'm at PAs. Look at the fucking thing.
So we're not going out for dinner then, Brett?
Nah. Cam's in bed. Yeah, you're thinking this is great. I am. You are. Dog. Okay.
Why don't you phone her up again?
No.
Tell her you're on the way home.
Hello? Hey you. Sucks when they go flat.
Take care, mate. All the best in a week or two.
Oh, shut up.
Take care. Good luck
Yeah, I
tonight,
will.
too.
I will take it.
I'll think of you.
My boss. My boss.
I'll read the
I
paper
reckon
tomorrow
we
and I'll
should,
just see if anyone's been murdered.
We should take that seat under the umbrella.
YouTube.
It'll be on YouTube tomorrow. Don't you worry
What it
about
means to leave
that.
blueprint.
What would you call it though, so you get the most hits? Like,
You ever fucked up before?
no, you'd call it like,
Just call it, check
call
this out, D.
Nah, Ranga lies to wife.
Oh, no, don't, no. I love my wife.
Oh, no doubt. For 2 years.
You're not the first bloke.
Screw you, hippie. Fuck.
So we're still rolling.
Bullshit. You can't have it still rolling.
Still rolling.
Is this a renegotiation of me? I don't want to go. I don't want to go. I don't want to go.
Do you want to have what about a shot of tequila? That'll get rid of your
Nah.
hiccups.
Nah.
Or a Jaeger bomb.
You gotta go home.
You don't have to start work till lunchtime tomorrow, bro.
Steve doesn't know that.
You've told me that.
You've already told him.
I told you that.
Yeah, you already told him. What about like a Red Bull and vodka with quickies in it?
Nah. No. Fuck. I'm
You sound
usually
like
pretty
fucking
good.
Grant now.
Hang on. Fucking fuck.
I always think he's swearing at me.
Yeah, fuck. Robe John, fuck. Yeah.
I wonder whether Chris will hang in there for the first 5 minutes when I email this video to him.
He will. He'll love it. He'll make every new employee watch this, what it means to leave Blueprint. Fuck. The de-initiation is worse than the first initiation.
Can you forward that to me, Steve?
No worries, mate. I've got D's number 2.
Fuck off. No, you haven't.
I have.
Have you?
Yeah.
When?
Remember that time you got
Don't-
really boozy?
Don't do that. Don't. That's not funny. That's not funny. That's not funny. No one wants to see me homeless. That's not funny. Yep. But she's the only one that likes me. So fucking screw you.
How did you just get so pissed so quick? You've got to like get it in between the hiccups. You got to get it in between the hiccups,
It's a
man.
fucking hiccup.